Christmas is a time of both renewal and of reflection, a time when people come together. They come together with their families and loved ones. For Christians, a time of celebration marking the birth of Jesus, who has through his message taught compassion, love and humanity. This year I think particularly of the Christians killed or injured as they worshipped across the world, and I pray for healing for their loved ones and for all Christian communities around the world. I also think of the many brave and selfless individuals who stand up for the rights of people of all faiths and none, the faith leaders, the human rights defenders, and community mediators who are striving so hard to build mutual respect and lasting peace. As the UK Minister for Human Rights, I'm committed to repaying their courage and their resolve for taking action to defend religious freedom, call out discrimination, and speak up for our shared common humanity. So as people come together to celebrate Christmas around the world, to Christian friends both home and abroad, on behalf of Sadiqa and myself and my whole family, may I wish you all a peaceful, a joyful and restful Christmas and a prosperous and happy New Year.